Tiffin. Today I'm going to make a volcano! Now let's make it. We need an empty bottle. Empty. And vinegar. I hate vinegar because it stinks. Yuck. And we need 2 clay and liquid salt, food coloring, and baking soda. And lumps. And I have to build volcano mountain first. Wow! Done! I made a volcano mountain. Ugh, it was hard work. And my mommy helped too. Thank you.
No worries.
Now we are going to put vinegar in here. I'm gonna put baking soda first. It looks like Dalgona mountain. Add food coloring. Now done. Now stir it. Liquid soap. I'm gonna play some dinosaur. Ooh. The dinosaur is going to die soon. Now it's going to blast! Ah! The volcano is erupting! Ah! Run for your life! Ah! Let's count together. 1, 2, 3! Blast! Stop! More vinegar! Help! More soda! More powder! Vinegar! It's a blood park! It looks like Baskin Robbins strawberry ice cream. We like it. Oh, yuck. Ugh. 1, 2, 3. Volcano is erupting! Goodbye. And thank you for watching this TV. See you next time. Goodbye. I think my mommy will enter because look at this.